I'm Marna. This is the Dolls Rescue Channel, and I had an idea. I bet there's 3 of you out there, Jay, Tammy, and Beth, rolling your eyes and saying, now what? I have been sending Happy Mail, I've said that, and I send a lot of Happy Mail out, and I'm so blessed because I get a lot of Happy Mail, and Happy Mail is like Christmas, and it's so fun. And I wish, Darren as my witness, I would like to just go down my subscribers list and send everybody a Happy Mail, but it's not possible. But I had an idea. So Darren and I kicked it around for a while, and we talked about it and came up with these ideas. You know, we put it all together. And what we're gonna do is a game called Hot Potato Happy Mail. And what we're gonna do is, this is a hot potato Happy Mail. What does that mean? It means we're all gonna play a game. What you're gonna get is someone, the first person is gonna get this. And what it has inside, please reuse these Ziplocs. This has something for everybody. Whether you have an 18-inch doll or a Poopsie surprise, if you like troll dolls, if you have a Barbie or a Blythe, see that's got a little shirt, a dress, I don't know, there's some other stuff in there, and a backpack. Or you like to do crafts, and these are Monster High heels. There are 5 items in this bag. And we're going to mail these out to the first person, and the first person is going to open this up. Do not open the packages unless those are the ones you're choosing. But the person that is the first person on the list is going to choose 1 or 2 items. This is what you cannot do. Oh, I just want to get a picture of my doll on that, but I'm not going to keep it. No, no, no. The bags are sealed. Once you open that seal, it's yours. When this arrives to your house, you open it up on camera. You pull everything out and you mention who it's from. Like this is from, it's a little troll pencil topper from Dolls Rescue. And you decide what you want. You can choose 1 or 2 items, but you have to replace them. And then you send it on to someone you want to send it to that is a subscriber to your channel and that you have chosen to send it to. There will be, like any game, a list of instructions. You will open up the envelope that says print your channel name on the inside. I gave it a large card, and at the top it says Dolls Rescued, Marna and Darren. And you read the names that this has already gone to. You add Hot Potato Happy Mail to your video where you open this up. And in that video, in your comments, you pick a subscriber to your channel and mail it out. Why is it called Hot Potato? Because you have to do it quickly. Once the person contacts you that you have been chosen to receive the Hot Potato Happy Mail, start thinking about what you're sending immediately. Make something, buy something. It has to be a $5 at least, be generous, value. You can buy it on sale, but it had to have had a retail value of $5 or more. If you cannot do this quickly, if you cannot mail this out, if you cannot replace the items and then mail it on, do not participate. This is a quick moving game. This is to get as much Happy Mail to as many Dolly friends as we possibly can. Just be sure to reuse the Ziploc bag, put everything inside. If you take out 1 item and you want to add 3, yay! Let's make this a big deal. Let's follow it all over YouTube with the hashtag Hot Potato Happy Meal. Just do not forget to read the people's names who have already participated on your video each time this goes to another place. Be sure to read the instructions, replacing them inside the envelope, and then put that in the Hot Potato Happy Meal bag. Remember, most important, this is quick, 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 quick. As soon as I contact you, from the comments below, if you are a subscriber to my channel, you leave likes and comments. In this video, put, yes, I want the Hot Potato Happy Meal. We will choose, Darren and I, someone from those people, and we will get this out lickety-split. What you need to do as soon as you're contacted that this is on its way, because we'll have to contact you for your address. As soon as you know it's on the way, start getting your replacement items. If I send you a personal Happy Meal, I wrap them. These are not wrapped. People need to be able to see what is inside, but seal a bag so that they're not opening it and touching it, and by the time it gets to the person who takes it, 18 people have touched it. You don't want that. Thank you for watching the Dolls Rescue channel. Another reason to subscribe, Hot Potato Happy Meal. Please leave a like, a comment. Don't forget, say you want to participate, and subscribe.